Hey, way so person dey we go fit pass Wike, almighty Wike. See no go comot a bulldozer for the general land. I think say you go keep am there, come go demolish all the houses as we dey always do. So power fit pass power o. Hey, Wike the almighty. He don jam rock today. Chai, this one sweet me. Person go buy land so far, do all the accreditation, abi how they even dey call am. You go just come out, carry your bulldozer, put am. Some don even build their houses finish, put under the house, comot the house from under, go reach the end. The day I went there and saw the demolition, person dey put windows and doors for im house. Wike order them to put the bulldozer under. They remove am. I did there, I dey shed tears for the person money, no be my money o. I dey cry for the person. Haba now, Baba FCT. Now wow. So this one wey general don't do you strong thing. Just dey carry shame dey go. Hey wey. Otilo, tori don baje. Well done, sir. I don't know say person fit pass me now. Well done, no.
FCDA don't carry that truck go. Shame on you. Wike don't go with the truck. Soldier win this fight too. FCDA. Only one he locks up soldier. FCDA don't pack their truck. Wike don't go. You want to collect soldier land?
People they die for their land.
I'm telling you.
Die for this land. I won't collect out from them. Very short now. Very short. And these people they die for this land.
I'm telling you. Wike don't carry shame go. Same boys on the follow. Shame on you. Power pass power. Power pass power.
Hey, na me be Wike. I don't go chop again. No, I don't go chop food again. What a shame. Jesus. See as in does it go. Oh my God. Oh, sorry. Sorry, my Wike. Bele. If not me, I would have covered my face in shame, but as you all know, Wike that me and you know, not know what they call shame. He will still go about his normal activities as though nothing happened. So, but next time, I think you must have learned a lesson, and you have learned the hard way too. Go be careful as you go spoil people's sweat. Just be careful, sha, because this time around it's not going to be business as usual. So learn from this one and know where you go to enter, where you don't go to enter. Beg you too do. Tia. Okay, guys. So the only Christmas one I fit do for me is just to help me to subscribe to my channel, please. Thank you. I love you guys.